Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools. If you've ever needed to find zip codes within a certain radius of a specific location, today's tool is exactly what you need. I'm excited to introduce our Zip Code Lookup Tool, a simple yet powerful Excel-based solution that allows you to instantly generate a list of zip codes within a given radius, while also calculating both the straight line distance and the driving distance from your center location. Whether you're planning marketing campaigns, defining service areas, optimizing delivery zones, or analyzing geographic data, this tool makes the process fast and effortless. Like all of our tools, this one is built entirely in Excel, so there's nothing to install. Just download it and start using it right away. However, since it integrates with Google Maps API for accurate distance calculations, you'll need a Google Maps API key to get started. Don't worry, we've included a step-by-step video tutorial in the description to guide you through setting it up in just a few minutes. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use. Once you download the tool, again, the link is in the description, simply open it up and enter the zip code or address that will serve as the center of your search. Next, enter the search radius, for example, 30 miles, or kilometers if you prefer. The tool will then generate a list of zip codes within that radius while calculating both the straight line distance and the driving distance from your center location. Why is this important? Well, straight line distance provides a quick geographic reference, while driving distance accounts for real road networks, making it ideal for logistics, delivery zones, and service area planning. Instead of manually searching zip codes or using expensive GIS software, this tool does all the work for you, directly within Excel. If you need to refine your results, you can limit the output to, say, the top 30 zip codes within your selected radius. Once you click Generate, the tool does all the work for you. Within seconds, you'll see a clear, organized list of zip codes with both straight line and driving distances from the center location, helping you make informed decisions based on actual travel routes rather than just proximity on a map. For the past 16 years, we've been building Excel-based solutions that help over 7,500 businesses save time and eliminate manual work. Every week, we receive emails from customers telling us how our tools have made their workflows easier, faster, and more efficient. And if you're wondering if this tool is worth it, check out our Google reviews. Our customers consistently rave about how much time and effort these tools save them. If you need any help or have any customization requests, feel free to call us, send us an email, or chat with us live on our website. And yes, you'll talk to a real person, not a bot. We're always happy to assist and make sure you get the most out of our tools. Click the link in the description to download the Zip Code Lookup Tool and start finding zip codes within your desired radius quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss our latest tools and updates. Thanks for watching and happy searching.